Compact track loader basic preventive maintenance tips. Compact track loaders, CTLs, are tough, tiny equipment that have a high weight to power ratio. CTLs see a lot of use in a variety of environments, including construction, agriculture, utility sites, and more, because this adaptable heavy equipment and its numerous potential attachments handle many of the same tasks as dozers and skid steer loaders. That is why compact track loader preventive maintenance is so crucial. Preventive maintenance keeps your fleet's CTLs working at top performance, efficiency, and safety. It's important for productivity, crew safety, and risk management, but it's also a cost-cutting measure. You may reduce machine downtime, more expensive repairs, component replacements, and premature machine replacements by properly maintaining your heavy equipment and detecting potential problems early. Operator use and the ground conditions they work on are the two most important aspects in how well CTLs hold up. These preventive maintenance tips for compact track loaders will help them last longer and cost less in the long run. Taking care of compact track loaders preventive maintenance. To avoid unnecessary wear, ensure that all operators are trained on best practices, such as proper turning, avoiding counter-rotating, controlling slippage, moving up and down slopes rather than across them. The differences between CTLs and skid steers. Many operators treat these two similar machines the same, but there are important differences. For example, the CTL's tracks do not need to spin to fill the bucket like a skid steer's tires, and so on. For complete details on appropriate operation, care, cleaning, and the recommended maintenance schedule, consult the manufacturer's manual. CTLs should always be thoroughly inspected before and after usage by crew members, and machines with damage or other problems should be removed from service. During inspections, pay particular attention to attachments and their components, such as bucket teeth, hydraulic hoses, shanks, and so on. Don't overlook your compact track loader's undercarriage maintenance. It's the most expensive component of any tracked heavy equipment. Maintain proper track tension, inspect the tracks on a regular basis, and perform general rubber track maintenance. If track tension is too tight, you will lose power and may experience bearing failures. If track tension is too loose, you will experience lug damage and derailment. Grease compact track loaders at the proper points on a regular basis. Consult the OEM manual for these locations and suggested lubrication intervals. Remove junk from the radiator and other engine components on a regular basis. Always follow optimum fluid management methods. For more information, call 469-370-7501 or visit interstateheavyequipment.com.